Good morning. How are you? What a
Thank-
beautiful place you brought us after such a hectic schedule. I know with you it must be very relaxing. And we have the big gentleman from America, Mr.
Hello.
John Bruno. Yes, Murtaza, thank you with core of hearts that you have done so much, open the world for us, and please share something about coming to this point, to Tanzania.
Yeah. Thank you very much for giving us this great opportunity. We came to Tanzania, and one of our dreams come true in Tanzania, because Africa, Tanzania, not easy to organize this such a big event, and we are happy to say that we have almost 50 different countries came, and more than 100 tour operators, and then almost I think 300 people was there. It's a great honor to organize this event, and we have many good speakers, international, like John Bruno, International Ecotourism Society President, IIDWP International Destination Wedding Professional President. So many speakers came here, and we can show them what is the new trend, what is the futures. We educated the people.
True.
Because many people, investors also coming with the tourism. Tourism is very important because tourism supports more than 56 different sectors, each country. So I think we did a good job with my team, and thank you to Tanzanian government, our colleague Alice, supplier here.
She wrote also
Yeah.
to the ministry and to Bahrain Tourism
Of course,
Authority.
very good interest. Many ministries came, the tour operator came, all the associations become together. They export well. I think they do very good job.
Okay.
I think looking forward to see in Bahrain. If you guys support us Bahrain, why not we can do one of our event in
Yeah.
future in Bahrain, isn't John?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Bahrain is going to be open, as I got the vibes from our high-ups. John is going to be there when? John, just speak something.
In
When
December, we'll be there as part of an ICA group. So I'm looking forward to seeing lots of meeting planners, lots of suppliers, and talking about the possibility of having our event there. And of course, we will look forward to having people in the government to support us and talk with us about that. And if that's possible, then we'll be able to make something happen. We made it happen many different places under many different circumstances. So it would be a wonderful thing for us to be able to have something in the Middle East, because we think that's an important region for the future. And so we would like to collaborate if possible.
especially, I think Bahrain is a very open market, and I'm sure they will support the cause, because up till now, whatever I have done with my little capacity, they always support it. So thank you so much. It's a beautiful day. I'm not going to stop you enjoying. Just have a look. Where are we? We in the middle of the forest, but unfortunately it's raining. Thank you so much. Thank you, my lovely colleagues. Thank you.